trying to figure out how to replace their livelihood after thousands of dollars of tools were stolen.
At a crime wave in the San Fernando Valley, thieves are targeting work vans, hoping to score some prized property.
More than $50,000 worth of product was gone when staff arrived on scene.
Yeah, we got a 2005 Ford van. We end up installing a Viper Smart Start with a Clipper alarm. Basically, he's a plumber. He's full of thousands of dollars of equipment. So we end up giving them the Viper Smart Start module, so he'll get the text notification to arm the alarm. You can hit lock on the phone. Virtually, you can do that anywhere in the United States. Okay, to disarm it, you're gonna hit unlock. Okay, that tells you the GPS. To track it, you hit this little guy here. Then it will give you the map where the car is at. He's at a job site, so basically we don't care if the address shows because the van is not going to be here. This is the tower antenna that tells you the signal of the unit, and this tells you for van. Yeah, so basically it has GPS. You can arm and disarm it. You can set up a speed alert. It comes with the remote controls. If you want to do it from the fob, you're welcome. One chirp is on. Normally it's 2 chirps, but he's getting 4 now because that means the alarm went off while he was away from the vehicle. Because we triggered it to test it out. So basically, once you turn the key in ignition and you start to turn the key in ignition on the van and you take a drive somewhere else, it's going to go back to 2 chirps. So now 1 beep is on. Now you'll get 2 chirps. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and arm the alarm. Basically, if they open a door, the alarm will fire off any door around, any door that they open, or they bang on the window, the alarm will go off. Yeah, you'll get a push notification that the alarm is going off. It's got panic button, so if you want to fire the alarm off, you can do it from the remote control. Okay, arm and disarm and panic. Okay, it's got giving the starter kill, so when the alarm fires off, you can't start the van. It's got the antenna right here on the top. That antenna is to give him range on the remote control. It has nothing to do with the GPS unit. The GPS unit is well hidden. That's just an antenna to give you a little range on the remote control. In case he wants to know where the car at, fire the panic at a parking lot or whatnot, or he has a distance to arm and disarm it because he doesn't have the phone with him. And it also has the blue light, which is going to flash at night, and it's got the valet button in the center. In the event that the remote controls goes bad and the phone dies out and he's having a real bad day, he's going to open the door with the key. The alarm's going to fire off. You just got to turn the key in ignition, and you have 1 second to tap that button on the top to disable the alarm. This alarm was installed here in this work van full of tools by auto alarm specialists. Please protect your tools. They are breaking into vans and stealing all sorts of tools, especially plumbers. They got those expensive tools. Our numbers are 305-298-4814, 305-298-4814. And yes, we do go to any job site that you're at. You don't have to take a day off work or nothing like that. The installation takes about 2 hours, an hour and a half, 2 hours. And yes, we do have free mobile service. Thank you for watching this video. Our numbers are 305-298-4814.